What if you could share a short clip from any video or live stream on YouTube that gets its own URL and links to the full video? Wouldn't that be sweet? In this video, you'll learn what YouTube clips are, how to make a clip from a YouTube video, how to share video clips, and how to find the clips that you've created. What are YouTube clips? YouTube clips are a fun and interesting way to highlight a certain part of a video and share it with your audience. It's a great way to drive new viewers to existing content because each clip gets its own unique URL that can be shared with multiple audiences. When someone watches a video clip, they'll also be able to watch the full video on your YouTube channel, resulting in more views. It's a great way to share your favorite moments on YouTube and you don't even have to leave YouTube to make the video clip. How do you enable clips on your YouTube channel?
Click on Settings in YouTube Studio, click on Channel, click Advanced Settings, scroll down to where you see Clips, check the box that says Allow viewers to clip my content. If you deselect the box, viewers will not be able to clip your content and existing clips of your content will be disabled. Selecting this option again will re-enable existing clips of your content. Click Save to save your settings.
How do you make a clip from a YouTube channel?
Go to the video that you want to select a clip from, click Clip, watch that part of the video that you want to select a clip from. You can adjust a clip from 5 seconds to 60 seconds. I'm going to make it 20 seconds. Add your title to the clip, click Share Clip. Now you can share it on any of these social media sites or you can copy the URL. So I'm going to copy it. Here's the 20-second clip and I can click Watch Full Video to watch the full video.
Keep in mind, clips can't be made from videos made for kids, from live streams over 8 hours long, from premieres while they're still live. Where can you find your YouTube clips?
You'll see your clips under Watch Later on your YouTube channel homepage. Click on your clips will be displayed in this window. If you hover over the 3 dots, you can share the clip, report the clip, or delete the clip.
Where can you share your YouTube clips? You can share your clip on social media sites. You can share your clip on your community tab. You can upload it as a shorts video by rescaling it into a vertical format. Lastly, you can copy the link and share it in your emails. Sharing your clips in all these different ways will help drive viewers to your YouTube channel. Why are the clips I created no longer available? If the original video is deleted or set to private, clips won't be available from that video. If the video is set to unlisted, then clips will be available. If your original video violates community guidelines, any clips created from that video will be removed. Why are there ads on the clip I created? Ads are eligible to show up on clips so long as the original video displays ads. When will clips become available on my channel? YouTube intends to make clips available to all channels on YouTube, so check your settings to see if clips are available on your channel. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever wanted to cut out a mistake on a video that you've already uploaded to YouTube? If that's a yes, watch the video on the screen right now on how to trim your existing video on YouTube using a YouTube video editor without losing views and comments.